Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Gaikwad KG, and today we are going to discuss about the cytoplasm. In earlier lecture, we have already discussed about the plasma membrane, and in detail we have discussed the fluid mosaic model. So, cytoplasm is again called as the ground substance. Again, it is called as the cytoplasmic matrix or the cytosol. Okay. So, cytoplasmic matrix, cytoplasm, cytosol are nothing but these are the ground substance. This is the colloidal jelly-like material. But what about the specific feature of this cytoplasm? It is not a static. Okay. It is not a stable one. But instead of that, there is the streaming movement occur in this cytoplasm, and this streaming movement occurs in the cytoplasm that is called as the cyclosis. Okay, so what meant by the cyclosis? Cyclosis is nothing but it is the streaming movement occur in the cytoplasm. Means streaming movement of the cytoplasm is called as the cyclosis. Okay. So, what are the different content of the cytoplasm? The major component or the major content of the cytoplasm is the water. Okay. Apart from this water, okay, other organic and inorganic molecules are again there present in the cytoplasm. Okay. So, basic material or in majority, what is the content? In majority water is there, but along with the water other different organic inorganic molecules like sugar, amino acid, vitamins, enzymes, nucleotides, minerals and other waste products are again present in the cytoplasm. Okay, so cytoplasm doesn't only contain this water and organic and inorganic molecules, but apart from this again cytoplasm contain another cell organelles. Okay, so we can say that whatever the other cell organelles are there, they actually float or actually present in the cytoplasm. Okay, so what are the other cell organelles are there, like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid, nucleus, microbodies and other cytoskeletal elements like a microtubule. Okay, they are called as the cytoskeleton. Actually they are called as the cytoskeleton because they give or form whole skeleton in the cytoplasm, so called as the cytoskeleton. Okay, so cytoplasm contain what? Cytoplasm contain water. It again contain different inorganic and inorganic molecules and again the different cell organelles. Cytoplasm is again act as the source of raw material as well as the seat for various metabolic activities takes place in the cell. Okay, so whatever the different metabolic activities are there, they actually take place in the cytoplasm. Okay, and this helps in the distribution and again exchange of the different material between the adjacent cells or the cell organelles. So let's see what are the cell organelles. Whenever we are talking about the different cell organelles, these are nothing but the cell organelles are nothing but these are the compartments in the cell. These compartments are specific and they carry specific function. Each cell organelle having its own specific function. Okay, and many of the cell organelles are coordinate with one another, and so as to complete any task they have to work in coordination. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the nuclear membrane, cytoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome and other various types of vesicles and vacuoles, these all form a group and together all this one means this nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, vesicles and vacuoles, they together considered as endomembrane system. Okay, means they are joined to one another and form a structure. We can say it as the endomembrane system of the cell. But all the different another cell organelles are not even joined to one another. They never form the endomembrane system. Okay, like a mitochondria and chloroplast, they having the specific their own function. Okay, and they are not even included in the endomembrane system. Okay, so up till now what we study, that different cell organelles are there in the cell, and different cell organelles having their own function. But many of the cell organelles are just coordinate with one another. They are just connected to one another, and again their function is interdependent. Okay, their task is related to one another. Okay, so as to complete their task, they have to depend on one another. Okay, so again what I told, that nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, vesicles and vacuoles, they together considered as the endomembrane system. Okay, and another thing we have studied here, that the mitochondria and the chloroplast are not even included in this endomembrane system, as the mitochondria and chloroplast, they having the specific function, okay, of energy conservation in the cell. Okay, they are not just connected to one another or the other cell organelles there. Okay, so this is what about the cytoplasm and cell organelles.